Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 2 Whole Numbers Lesson 6. So turn in your packets to page 29 and you'll follow along and take notes. On page 29 we can see here's a number line. It has some points labeled already, and so let's go ahead and actually write those labels in. So if we start here at 0, then we would go to 1, 2, so this is 3 in the blue box, 4 in this blue box, 5 in that one, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So now what we look at is we look here, and we're going to talk about these inequalities. So if we're comparing 3 to 5, since 3 is to the left of 5 on the number line, 3 is less than, so we would write it like this, less than 5. The alligator wants to eat the bigger number, but 3 is less than 5. The next one, 8 compared to 4. So 8 is up here, 4 is down here. So we know that 8 is greater than 4. And again, the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. It's just facing this way now. And then we look here, and this is not an inequality because we have 9 and 9. 9 is equal to 9. So we can see that that is equal to because it is the same number. Now we're going to compare these two numbers, and we're going to put it into a chart first. So the first one is 62,820. And then the next one is 61,550. Well, we can see that they both have a 6 in the 10,000. So then we got to go down to the thousands place. We can see here, 2 and 1, those are different. So now we can compare, and we know that 2 is greater than 1. So that means that the 62,820 is greater than the 61,000. And we can tell that just by one of the place values. All right, let's do this again. We'll compare and we'll write it in the chart. So we have, we have 485, and then we have 4,367. Well, right away on this one, you can tell there's no thousands here, and this is 4,000. So 4,000 is quite a bit bigger because there's not even any thousands in 485. So 4,000 is the greater one, so we would say 485 is less than 4,367. Let's write in the next one. 3,516. And the other number is 3,516. Well, we can see same thousands, same hundreds, same tens, same ones. So those two numbers are equivalent. They're equal. So we would write an equal. Okay. This one for Build the Concept, it says compare 240 to 280. So we need to fill in this line. It's giving us 200 and it's giving us 300. So I always try to figure out beforehand before I write it, but it looks like we could probably go by tens. So then we would have 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. So that works. So I'm going to write it out, and then you can pause the video and you can write it out as well. So go ahead and pause the video and then label your number line. Okay, now that yours is labeled, let's go and make our points. So 240 is right here. So mark that on your number line. And then 280 is right here, so mark that on your number line. So we can see on the number line, it's really easy to see that 280 is greater than, so we would have to put in the sign 240 is less than 280. Okay, so compare each pair of numbers, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to. So this first one, we have 6,340, 6,352. Well, we can see that both, if we line those up, so we can write the numbers out, kind of like we did in the chart, and then we can compare their number or their place values. So the 6 and the 3 are the same, thousands and hundreds are the same, but we can see the tens are different. Well, we know that 5 is greater than 4, so 6,340 is less than 6,352. Number 8, we have 1,348. And then if we line up the place values, 987, we can see again, 987 doesn't have any thousands. So we automatically know that 1,348 is greater than 987. And number 9, we have 59,432 and then 59,042. So we can see same 10,000s, same thousands, but then when you get to the hundreds, this one is 400 and this is 0, so the 400 is greater. So we would say 59,432 is greater than 59,042. And lastly, if we look through this, so this is comparing whole numbers. So using symbols, we compare 2,734 and 2,743. They lined up the place values like we just did. So you write the numbers one under the other so the digits in the same place value line up. If the numbers have different numbers of digits, the number with the digit in the greatest place value is the greater number. If the digits have the same number of digits, find the greatest place value where the digits are different. The number with the greater digit in the place value is the greater number. So in this case, again, we see 2,000 is the same, 700 is the same, but then the 3 and the 4 are different. Well, 4 is greater than 3, so we would have to say 2,734 is less than 2,743. All right, now you are going to do page 31 on your own, and then you're going to show your teacher. Good luck.